Here is a video of my 60-inch Sanyo oscillating table fan from the 1980s. I did video this fan before cleaning, and here it is after cleaning. The zip ties have been replaced with new ones because the old ones were taken off for cleaning and the original clips were broken. I did clean the writing on there and somehow rubbed off the Sanyo logo right there. And now it starts right up, so I'll do a video on every speed and show it oscillating. So here's the back side. This is like a looks like a carry handle here, even though there's not one on top or on the plastic. These grills were welded on and now they've been fall off, but keep like that because I don't have the tools to fix it. And it's kind of rough shape, but it works fine. And I've shown the sticker underneath this fan before, and it was made in Mexico. There's the sticker right there. So there you go. Another review of my 16-inch Sanyo oscillating tail fan, and this is after cleaning and oiling the motor.